What's up everyone, my name is Rabbit, here to talk to you about my Saturn SL1. This vehicle is now what this channel is going to be mostly about, and some other little things as we go along with the channel. It's mostly going to be documenting the build of this car, because I'm going to be redoing the whole car from the interior. Little thing I did to it, to every other thing I planned for it. I've been replacing body panels on the outside of the car with a friend of mine's vehicle. We're going to be showing that with me going there to get a bunch of things off of his car to put on this car. Little things being redone on the interior, which is about everything from the seats to wanting to build a custom center console that goes from the front to the back. There's a lot of things I want to do on this car, and I hope I'm going to be able to do it, and I want to document it as we go. If you're not familiar with the Saturn, you can find me on Instagram at modified_white_trash. That way you can kind of get a look at what the car is right now, from all the interior pieces that I've done to the exhaust that's on here. We're going to still do it static. I was wanting to put air ride on this car, but I feel like I want to stay static, which is going to have to be redone on how the car is right now. So there's going to be a video eventually with me upgrading the suspension system on this car, a bunch of other things. I'm going to be getting another wheel set. There's body panels that are going to eventually be done to go more with the style I want to do with the car. I hope you're interested in following me building this car. If you are, please make sure to hit subscribe, the notification bell, follow me on Instagram so you can keep up with it on there too, because obviously there'll be photos, other things that won't make it to the channel on my Instagram. Past that, I appreciate you checking this video out and hope to get doing more things here soon. I'll probably do a video. I want to take off some of my pillars in here and paint them with this texture paint I want to use for mostly my interior, and see how that works, if it's actually going to do what I hope it's going to do for them, and just keep going. If not, I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board and get that taken care of as well. But appreciate it. Stay tuned for more videos and more content on this car. Like I said, if you're interested, make sure to hit subscribe, notification bell, follow me on Instagram. I'll have a link to the Instagram below, and some other things we got planned listed as well below. I appreciate you. Thanks.